Welcome to this short presentation about the Global Review's Digital Marketing Effectiveness Programme, or DME programme. At the end of this, you will have an understanding of what this DME programme entails and how it can substantially increase your digital marketing effectiveness. In this programme, we invite 2,400 in-market consumers to conduct online research specific to an industry. This is an annual longitudinal tracking study, which is broken down into a monthly fieldwork sample of 200. In-market is defined as a consumer who has indicated an intention to purchase a product within the defined industry within the next 90 days. Having successfully passed the screener section of the questionnaire, customers are asked a number of attitudinal and perception-based questions, along with top-of-mind, unprompted brand awareness and initial preference of those brands that they are aware of. Consumers are then tasked with finding a provider for the particular product or service through an online search. This blank screen test begins with consumers being presented with a blank screen and blank URL box, mimicking natural buying environment. Consumers can go wherever they would like to online in order to complete the task. Through a sophisticated application which has now been downloaded onto the participant's computer, Global Reviews records every website visited, every link clicked, and every keyword entered into a search engine. Once online research is complete, participants are then invited back into the study, where they are now asked what brands they would shortlist as a potential provider and why. Finally, participants choose one final exclusive provider as their final preference from their shortlist or repertoire of brands. And they tell us why they ultimately choose that brand and did not choose the other brands on their shortlist. The outputs of this research are things like the sales and acquisition funnel and lost opportunity score. From the portal, the conversion ratios and performance of marketing strategy can be measured from recall through to final preference for your brand, but also across the competitive landscape at all of the brands within the market. There are three key elements to this research. We bridge the gap between claimed behavior and actual behavior with a critical passive research component. The specific nature of the sample means it is not a brand tracker, although considering the activated nature of the sample, it may be more valuable than a brand tracker. The pulse nature of the fieldwork allows for time-specific measurement, combining sample to increase robustness, comparison of fieldwork periods to measure on-air advertising activity, and also trending performance on a monthly basis. Where does this fit in? At Global Reviews, our end-to-end proprietary funnel, which measures the customer experience, begins with the discover and consider phases. Discover phase measures how easily customers can find you online, the performance of other marketing activity, and what attribution can be placed against this marketing activity in bringing customers to your website. The consider phase takes that attribution one step further and establishes how successful your marketing strategies are in matching your product or service to the customer need. This is what drives final preference and you winning over your competitors. Thank you very much for your time.